Kyle Kaplan will kick it away first. Off we go in the Eastern Conference Championship. Andre Williams will return it from the back of the end zone. Found a lane, gets across midfield, and there goes Williams. Kaplan to beat. Touchdown, Blizzard. A kick return score to start us off.
Mr. Keller's bucket list here tonight.
Andrew Mevis hits it in. And for the second straight time, the Steamwheelers have fallen behind 9-0 to the Blizzard. Wheelers 40% on fourth downs coming into today. Blitz, Neal, deep shot, McShane, touchdown! Myler looks, throws, end zone, touchdown! Caught by TJ Davis. SBC in motion. Along with Davion Johnson, who we mentioned returned back from injured reserve. Look at this run by Ware. Still going. Touchdown! Can you believe it? Clark started one way, cut back the other. He's got some space. And Clark is in. Touchdown, Green Bay. What a run by Clark. Just got the play away. Ware trying to find the edge. Touchdown, Quad City. Three on the rush. Quick toss. Touchdown. Oh, what a throw. Myler to TJ Davis. His other favorite target. Cynthia Woods is watching from Virginia. Coach Reeves says hello and sends his love. 2nd down and 7. Here's Neal on the run. Inside the 5. Shoulder down. Into the end zone for the touchdown. DeQuan Neal. His 23rd of the year. What line you're talking about? 2nd and goal from the 1. Clark finishes the drive. Did he? Officials are now saying touchdown. FL's MVP in 2019 with the Iowa Barnstormers in his first year. Now here's Neal to throw. Fade route. Terry! Touchdown, Quad City! Tamarion Terry went up and got it. Fake it. Neal's got it. Neal goes deep. One-on-one. Terry! Touchdown, Quad City! Tamarion Terry does it again!
He can't ask for anything better. A great crowd here. Kaplan sends this one high and away. He's going to go for the deuce. That one right down the middle. This offense among quarterbacks in the IFL. Snap to Myler again. Fake pitch out to Clark. He's going to take a deep shot. Deep for Andre Williams. It is caught! Andre Williams ties this one up. 33-yard strike from Myler to Williams. More under 4 minutes here in the third. Neal takes a snap, makes the handoff to Ware. He'll dump off Ware, wide open, touchdown! Quad City Steamwheelers reclaim the lead here in a 3rd and goal conversion.
Myler looks, running out of time. Here comes more deep shot! Intercepted by Chris Chukwuneke, who handed it off to Arslanian, but they say he's out of bounds. Chukwuneke hurt himself while he ran into the board to make the interception. Myler to the end zone. Did he come down with that ball? Up and over the board. What's the call? It is a touchdown. He came down with it. TJ Davis, unbelievable.
Bounds, touchdown.
Wow, unreal.
And Cameron Harrell in a perfect place.
Line drive headed toward the goal. It is in. And Nevis makes it a 3-point game.
Oh, Wheelers need to get the snap off.
Blitz. Underneath, there's Ware. Race to the 6, has a first down, cuts back for the middle, and he might go! Where? All the way! Touchdown! Field, they go with Cagle, it's 2nd and goal. Clark cuts through and gets into the end zone for the touchdown. Off the crossbar. Ball is still loose, and it's picked up by the Blizzard. Can you believe that? Mamadou Mbaye came in and dug it out. Had to get it away quickly. Davis! Touchdown, Green Bay! TJ Davis does it again. The field of play and recovered by the Blizzard, who are able to get a score out of it. Mevis trying to add 2 more. And he does! What's the response? Neal loads up, goes up top. Good catch by Tamarion Terry, broke a couple tackles, heads up the sideline, and a quick answer for the Steamwheelers. A 45-yard Terry touchdown. Neal gets away from pressure, fires. VC up and over the board. Did he come down with it? He did! What a catch by VC for a first down.
Holding, offense number 67.
Oh, and that.
Because the foul occurred in the end zone, a safety is awarded.
Wow.
Posts, crossbar to really give the Green Bay Blizzard the chance. And after a heartbreaker in their own building a year ago, it is the Green Bay Blizzard that will represent the East.